Hi everyone, in this very quick tutorial, let's crochet this very easy beginner-friendly friendship band. I'm taking weight 3 cotton yarn, 2.5mm crochet hook and some pearls. We will first insert these pearls inside this yarn. For that, take a needle, insert this yarn inside this needle and then slowly insert these pearls one by one. And then remove this needle. Now leave some length of yarn and then make a slip knot. After making a slip knot, insert your hook and make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. After making 4 chain, into the 4th chain from the hook. So this is where my hook is. This is the first chain, second chain, third chain, and into the 4th chain we will make a puff stitch. So yarn over once, insert your hook inside the 4th chain, yarn over, pull up a loop. Again yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. This is second time. Again yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop. Now after you yarn over 3 times, yarn over and pull through all the loops at once like this. And now before locking the puff, we will insert one bead here and then lock the puff. Again make 4 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make 1 puff stitch inside the 4th chain. 1 time, second time and third time. Now after you yarn over for 3 times, yarn over and pull through all the loops. And now before locking the puff, insert a bead and then lock the puff. Again make 4 chains. So we will repeat the same. So for my size, I repeated it for 8 times. So repeat as many times as you want and then I'll show you how to complete the project. So I repeated it for 8 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I am still left with 2 more beads. If you want a bigger size, you can continue with the same. Otherwise, after locking the last puff, make 1 chain and leave some length of yarn and cut your yarn. Slowly remove the yarn. This completes the band. Hope you like this quick tutorial. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Thank you so much for watching.